Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we have Vincent back!
Hi, I'm back.
Hey. She back, we back. So for today's video, we are back at it again. We are going to be doing another Tagalog video. Just in case you guys have never seen any of our Tagalog series, basically, we're just gonna be speaking Tagalog the entire time. But for those of you who don't speak Tagalog, I will always provide subtitles for you guys, okay? Okay. Just in case you guys are new to my channel, my name is Heart, this is Vincent, and we both live in LA who are Filipinos. Yep, that's our description. So subscribe! You have to subscribe!
She's so cute!
So without further ado, here is a get ready with us in Tagalog, aka Taglish. In 3, 2, 1.
Eto na.
Ready na tayo?
Ready na.
Ready na.
Oh, sige.
So, anong sisimulan natin?
Magsisimula tayo sa
magpa-primer muna ako.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Gusto mo mag-primer?
Sure.
Okay, same?
Same.
May dala ka ba?
Wala akong dala. Magpa-primer ko.
Ikaw, anong gagawin mo? Magpa-foundation ka ba? Powder foundation? Liquid foundation? Ano?
Magpa-foundation. Hindi ko alam. Powder ba to?
Powder yan.
Powder.
Try mo powder.
Okay.
Hindi man kailangan ng foundation eh. Ganda
Okay.
yung skin mo
I know. Ay, ito ba yung... Ay, si ano?
Sylvia! Shout out to Sylvia!
This is yours,
Our baby
Sylvia.
boo!
Ito pang gagamitin ko. Opal from the BH Cosmetics.
Sylvia Gani.
Yes, we love her.
Gani, sorry.
Gani.
Filipino vibes eh, so Gani.
Gani.
Pero pag English, Gani. Kung magka-highlighter ka muna, hindi ka ba magpa-foundation?
Hindi, kasi I have good skin na eh.
Even out mo lang. Yung ano, bare minerals.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
Can I put that on top na?
Sige, kahit anong gusto mo, sis.
Okay.
Ikaw ang bahala.
Okay.
Buhay mo yan.
Alam mo, kung magandang skin mo, hindi mo na kailangan ng foundation.
Oh, true. But if you want to elevate your look, lagay ka.
Aba, ganda ng word. Elevate daw. So, nasaan ka na sa mukha mo?
Magko-concealer na ako. Ito, from ThatsHeart Cosmetics. Shape Tape, my favorite. Uy, ano na ba tayo ng questions? Mag-answer na ba tayo?
Let's answer.
First question is, adobo or pancit bihon?
Adobo for me.
Wait! Okay, never mind. We should have done it together.
Oh
so
yeah,
we
one
can't
more.
copy. Alam ko na answer mo.
Oh, man. Okay.
Pero same, adobo.
Yeah,
Same.
bakit adobo? Bakit?
Kasi I really like, chicken adobo.
Ako rin.
Yeah, chicken adobo is my fave.
Mas gusto ko pasit canton.
Ooh!
Yes,
that sounds bomb.
Yeah, pasit canton is my jam.
What's Tagalog for bomb?
Pak.
Pak na pak! Wow, ang ganda ng lips mo, sister ah. Ano nilagay mo? Oh, Glossier? Raylyn asked, who is more sassy? Ay, dali, Tagalog muna. Ang tanong ni Raylyn, sino ang mas sassy?
Si Heart.
Ano ba?
Ay!
Kailangan!
3, 2, 1. Okay, sorry. One more.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Si Heart.
Vincent.
Ito naman gagamitin ko next. Kakainin ko with my mouth. Sarap to.
Uy, yan lang, hindi pwede mo.
Hindi, meron pa.
Surprise lang.
Kasi pagka nag-get ready ako, meron pa akong in-between breaks. Kasi alam mo yun, you have to enjoy the moment of your beauty. You can't just force it.
Wow. Galing ah. Galing.
Fina-force niya yung beauty niya.
I never force my beauty. It's already there.
Ay, okay.
Next question is from Aja. What's the strangest thing na ginawa niyo together?
Ang dami.
Marami.
Anong strangest thing?
Meron kaming ginawang weird thing last month, pero hindi pa ako ready i-share yun.
Ay, magandang i-share yun. Comment down below if you wanna know what happened last month.
Lord, I still have flashbacks. I'm getting flashbacks right now. Pagka magkasama kami, every time na magkasama kami, laging may nangyayaring weird.
Kasi si Heart ang dami mga...
At saka ikaw.
Ang dami mga bad juju.
Pwede ba? Ikaw ang may bad juju.
Ang dami...
alam mo, sister, simula lang dumating ka sa buhay ko, nagkaroon ako ng bad juju.
Pero thankful ka na dumating ako sa buhay mo.
Thank you next, though.
Ay. Yeah.
Ito naman, mag-bake me.
I like baking.
Bake ka rin.
Okay, I'm gonna bake my hair. Binbake ko po yung buhok ko ng Volumize from this... IGK. I love IGK.
Same. Bango pa, no?
Yeah, like my kilikili. Uy! Na-volumize nga! Ay, ang galing! I haven't used this ha. Ay, ang galing!
Mommy! Thank you! guys, I just got a package from Kim Kardashian.
It's so major. Oy, Tagalog.
Ay, you guys.
Ay, Tagalog. Mga kaibigan.
Mga kaibigan, mga kapamilya. May kumatok. Tapos sabi niya, a package from Miss Kim Kardashian. Who am I? Who am I? I cannot.
Can't relate.
That was weird. He spoke to you, so that was for you. Vincent was just like,
Ay, maganda.
Ganda, no? Pakita mo sa pamilya natin.
Ang ganda po.
Cute. Ang cute, no? Ay, sister, ang dumi.
Yeah.
Yan.
Ang ganda nito, grabe. Ayun.
Ang bango ng hair.
Oy, thanks ah.
Bango ah.
Oh, wait. Can you see? Wow.
Question from It's KK. Kapag nag-switch lives kayo for the day, anong gagawin mo first? Hang out with you.
Ay, ang sweet mo naman. Me?
Kapag hindi mo sinabing hang out with you, go home.
I'll spend that one day with my Papa Arnold.
But you already do that.
Yes, but this time I could cuddle with him.
Wow!
You heard that here, Arnold?
You will never be me! Gal asks, which Filipino actress would you guys want to play you in a movie?
Oh.
Ooh.
Easy lang yan.
Ikaw,
Ann
sino?
Curtis.
Oh, I love her.
Yeah, Ann Curtis ako. Grabe. Ang ganda niya. For you, gusto ko si Bea Alonzo.
No.
Really? Bakit?
No. I would
Sino
say...
film mo?
I would say Catherine Bernard, just because I've met her and she's
Ah,
everything.
nice ba?
She's so sweet. When are you planning to have a baby? Ano, kailan ang baby natin?
Hindi po ako ganung maglaro. Lagi pagka nagpo-post kami ng mga selfies, videos, lahat ano, like some of you guys.
Relationship goals,
Oo.
sabi nila.
Sabi, oy,
Akala nila si Arnold kay.
Yeah.
Coco asks, do you wipe back to front or front to back?
Ha? Anong question yun? Coco! Ano yun?
Coco naman eh!
Coco
ano
naman,
yan?
Nas.
PG2, remember?
Pero
baka ma-demonetize ako pag hindi PG. Pero to be fair, front to back.
Ay, hindi. Hindi ako back to front.
Wow! Okay.
Ay, ang pangit ko ngayon, siya.
Tingin.
Uy, ang pangit ko.
Hindi. Nakikita naman kita.
Ang pangit ko.
Tinatakpan mo pero nakikita
Ang
ko.
pangit ko.
Just keep going. Just keep blending and keep going. You look good! Ang galing ah. Parang may practice ah. Practice ka ba at home? Bella vibes! Who is she? Bella Hadid? Is that you? Bella Hatid? Maaari bang pagbigyan?
Ang ganda ng boses.
Kailangan
Kita
ngayon at
kailanman
into the world and to be with you. Ang buhay
ko minamahal.
I never thought I would be right for you. Ay, I just can't compare you with anything in this world. There are these changes that we
Cannot hide.
Baka ikaw rin at ako.
Kailangan kong malaman na ikaw lamang.
Wala naman ako masyadong gagawin for my eyebrow. Siguro subtle lang para, subtle vibes. You know? Ano, nakaihi ka na?
Yeah, kailangan ko lang put ng
Okay.
lip gloss.
Tapos ka na ba? Or...
Hindi pa. Mascara na lang. Yeah, simple lang yung look ko for today.
Parang nag-iba ka.
Bakit? Anong nangyari?
Nag-plump ka ba ng lips?
Yeah. Nag-plump ako sa bathroom ng lips.
Ah,
Kita nyo?
kaya pala different.
Yeah. Mas plump yung lips ko ngayon. Pag kailangan ko ng lipstick, may lipstick ka. I can borrow.
Ay, ang dami oh. Pili ka doon.
Ay, ang ganda ng closet niya. Puro lipstick. Tsaka, gagawa siya ng room tour.
Coming soon.
Coming soon.
Ganda, no?
Tsaka yung ano niya, yung organization niya behind this. Ang ganda.
Or in fairness, yeah. That's poppin'.
Yeah. Ito pala yung kinuha kong lips.
Wow, very natural.
Very, di ba?
Yeah.
Paano ko lalagay ito? Meron kang parang spoolie.
Hindi, lagyan mo na.
Okay,
Oo.
wow.
It's yours. Keep it.
Amoy! Ganda! Wow!
Take anything you want.
Wow!
Go shopping. Shopping
Oh my
ka.
God!
Ikaw, ang gagawin mo? Lipstick?
I'm putting my lipstick on.
Chic! Cute ah. Your lip gloss is poppin'. You
Yeah.
like my hair? Anong Tagalog nun? You like my hair, G thinks she's about it.
Gusto mo? Buhok?
Wow, salamat.
Wow, salamat.
Bibili ko lang. Okay, kailangan ko mag-concentrate, okay? Don't touch me.
Don't touch me also.
Please respect and don't touch me kasi mag-eyeliner na ako eh. Okay, sister, serious to. Ow!
Sorry.
That's what I mean.
Sorry.
Okay, you guys. So, nilagay ko na yung lashes and eyeliner ko kasi I just had to do that off camera. Kailangan kong mag-focus. Si Vincent, nag-rush na naman. Ay, ito na pala siya. Pero nagbago na naman itsura mo.
Yeah, kasi alam mo, ang beauty ko is very natural. Kaya, I don't need to put any
True.
addition.
Ito na yung last step ko, Fenty Beauty Universal Balm. And that is it for me. Tapos na, Miko. Tapos ka na rin ba?
Ah, yes. Kanina pa ako tapos. I'm just waiting for you.
Panalangin ko sa habang buhay, makapiling ka, makasama ka, yan ang panalangin.
Alright, you guys. Ito na po ang katapusan ng
Tapos
makeup.
din! I'm sorry.
Natapos din! Hopefully, na-enjoy niyo po itong video na to. Because we did. We enjoyed it.
We like fully enjoyed this video.
You know, there's really something different about you. Alright, you guys, so that is it for this video. Be sure na i-thumbs up niyo po itong video na to if you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comment section below. If you don't follow Vincent already, you have to follow him. Ito po yung Instagram account niya. Follow his Instagram page, his Instagram stories, and all of the above. Thank you again so much for watching this video. We love you guys. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video.
Bye!
Mwah! Mwah! Hindi, in fairness talaga, you changed.
Oh, where? I just put eyebrows tsaka lipstick. Yun lang nilagay ko eh. Kasi natural beauty wins.
True.
Yeah.
Catriona Grey who?
Yeah?